Step 1. Launch ChatGPT on your smartphone or computer. Step 2. Utilize ChatGPT to quickly and expertly write an ebook that you can copy and paste to reach a large audience and earn enormous revenues. Step 3. Upload the ebook on this little-known platform and earn fast AI money online. Writing ebooks can be a terrific method to earn money online, but the process takes time and is challenging to begin if you want to use your writing skills to earn money. In this video, you'll discover the profitable possibilities of ChatGPT and learn how to use this cutting-edge technology to produce ebooks that are short and quick and may earn you actual money. Let's get started. This is a great option for busy authors who don't have time to write from scratch but still want professional results, because ebooks created with ChatGPT are frequently more engaging and well-written than traditional ebooks. Plus, you can use a different platform to upload your ebook which isn't as saturated as Amazon Kindle to start earning some good profits. So keep watching to learn exactly how you can take advantage of this cutting-edge technology and make money online. First, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 10 good niches to write ebooks. If the first 10 results aren't enough, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest an additional 5 categories. Once you've chosen a topic, it's time to get more specific with your ebook idea. You can do this by asking ChatGPT what subtopics would fit under this. ChatGPT will give you a list of topics that are currently in demand so that you can create any book that people actually want to buy. Finally, once you've decided on a specific subtopic, ask Chat to create a title for your book by saying something like, "Write 10 compelling different titles for an ebook about this particular topic." Then, just pick the one you like the best, or ask for 10 more if none stand out to you. Next, we need a book's outline. So, continue by typing something like, "Write a book's outline." Once all of these steps have been completed, all that is left to do is to begin copying and pasting the various parts of the outline and asking ChatGPT to write a chapter about each. To do this properly, you want to say something like, "Write a 2,000-word chapter for the introduction that includes the following." Using the free version, you probably don't want to get 2,000 words, but at least it will let the AI know to get ready to provide us with some long-form content. If you want this process to go even faster, a cool hack we've found is to use a tool like AI PRM to help us write the book. First, make sure you have the AI PRM Chrome extension installed. This will allow you to get access to some of the most well-liked and highly voted prompts that the platform has to offer. Then, start copying and pasting it into a blank Google Doc, making sure to add and format the titles and headers properly. Just keep doing this in ChatGPT, then the first writing prompt that appears should be this one: "Write a complete book in one click." As you can see at the time of this recording, "Write a complete book in one click" has received over 600,000 plus views and more than thousands of thumbs up, indicating that many people are using it to begin writing their books. Here, we can simply type in the topic or title of the book we want to write, and then let the AI work its magic. This will divide the book into a number of concise chapters that are each relevant, with a brief paragraph for each. From this point, we can simply repeat the previous steps until the AI expands on each chapter's idea and brief paragraph by telling it to write 2,000 words for it, and then we can paste the chapter title and brief paragraph in this location. But keep in mind that if you use the Plus version, which gives you access to GPT-4, you'll get much better results from this prompt, and it's likely that ChatGPT won't need any additional input from you to get the high-quality results you want, just like when we run the same prompt using the GPT-4 version. Before moving on to the next step, you must first save this entire doc as a PDF. Then, I'll show you where you can upload this PDF for free and begin making money from your ebook. With a simple setup process and no upfront costs, Gumroad is a great platform for digital goods like ebooks. All you have to do is create an account, upload your ebook in PDF format, and pick the selling price. The process of uploading an ebook PDF to Gumroad is simple and can be finished in a few steps. First, create an account on the website, which shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Next, upload your product by clicking the Products tab and then selecting a new product. Finally, enter some details about your product, such as the name of the book, its description, and the price you want to charge. With this, you can use ChatGPT to become a passive income stream for yourself without having to put much effort. Thanks for tuning in to this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.